mood here with
I like it.
Yeah, no, that's perfect. Rick Roslin hanging out with us talking gravity today.
Yeah.
It's something that we take for granted because if we didn't have it, we'd just, be floating away all the time. But we're just, we were talking during the break that sometimes we don't think about how gravity works.
No.
And that it is actually important to know and understand.
The number one question that everyone seems to get wrong is, we know that gravity works on Earth. It's something you lift up and it pulls it back down.
Right.
But if you think about space, I'm going to ask you, you're going to fail. Is there gravity in outer space? Yeah, don't answer. So most people say no because we see things floating.
Right.
But they're actually orbiting the Earth. They are falling. They're just falling in a circle. If there was no gravity in outer space, the moon wouldn't stay here. We wouldn't stay here. Anyway, something to think about. This one, though, without gravity is one force, but so is friction. Now, this is kind of amazing. So this is, come over here, we'll try this over here. Here is a plastic pipe, and you want to hold that.
Yeah.
And this is the part, I hate this part, because, if I let go by your toe, that's a problem.
Yeah, let's not do that.
I probably should tie it. I'm not going to tie it this time. You got it?
Yeah.
On the count of 3, you got it?
Yeah. Someone
And
told me I was working out today.
let me put these together and see what happens here. There's not a knot,
It's getting heavier there, Rick.
but look at that. It's not even tied.
Wow.
But the friction of the rope is holding it up. Now, switch sides.
Thank you.
Turn this side over. Yeah, that was good. Now, that is very slippery.
Yes.
Less friction. This is some sandpaper I put on here.
Right.
What do you think?
More friction.
More friction.
Yeah.
So what about the amount of wraps? That was
Probably
like
going to need less, right?
less
I mean,
wraps.
in theory.
That was 8 wraps. Let's try it. Ready? Here's 3. Look
Oh,
at
wow.
that.
Yeah.
2 wraps, and that's a lot of mass.
Yeah.
So friction is, good job on that. And that is a real deal. Friction is kind of the weird thing
Wow,
about friction.
105 pounds.
You wish.
That's 15.
Try this.
Okay.
Here's a little part of our drop of doom.
Okay.
But really, this is a pendulum. And a pendulum has basically 2 parts.
Okay.
So hold this. Let's make this a pendulum. A pendulum has a string and a bob.
Sure.
Here's the bob.
Yeah. Okay.
And what does that remind you of?
A clock.
A clock. There's a guy named Christiana Heilhans who invented the clock using this to oscillate to keep it working.
On time, right?
Now,
Yeah.
let me just try something.
Okay.
I'll go short and you go long.
Okay.
Okay, so if we have a short one, and let's let it oscillate. Just turn it. Look at mine's going,
Right.
and yours is going slower.
Yeah, much
so
slower.
the length of the string affects the period of the pendulum. Big deal, right?
Yeah,
Big
yeah.
deal. So let's see if we can do something kind of cool.
Okay.
We're going to practice this. Let's go around front.
Okay.
Step over
around
here.
front here.
Let's do the drop of doom. We'll practice it. So I'm going to put this here.
Okay.
I hate this part.
Drop of doom.
And see how I got it on my finger?
Yeah, like that.
On the count of 3, we're going to let go of this side and see what happens. Ready?
Okay.
Practice. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I almost had that.
Try it again.
Yeah.
So
I wasn't prepared for
if this is like a 17-to-1 ratio, go ahead and try it. This could be the ultimate mic drop in a band, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, right?
So you let go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, wait, I did it wrong.
Yeah,
I let go of the
that's
wrong
why
side.
we're practicing. You got one more shot at this because
All
we're
right,
moving on to the
last one.
There you go. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Yeah,
Good.
thank you. It only took 5 takes.
So
I believe in
you ready
you.
for the drop of doom?
You're going to let us do it with glass?
Yeah.
On purpose?
Yeah.
Are these ours or yours?
Does it matter? You gonna pay for them?
No, it doesn't come out on my check either way.
All right.
Okay, so
So, same deal.
a little bit nervous.
You should be.
Yeah, okay.
We have a broom. Time out. Put some goggles
Good
on.
idea. Thank you.
Okay. So this is why we call this the
Stylish
drop
and
of
safe.
doom. So what's going to happen when I let go? This is going to act as a pendulum.
Sure.
And the shorter it gets, the faster it gets because something called angular momentum. And here we go. I'll try mine first. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah, it worked. Okay, great. Be careful back there behind me. Oh. Thank you. I was really, really nervous.
You did good. No,
Thank you, yeah.
You know, when you're nervous, you pay attention a little bit more.
So is it that's simply just weight counteracting against the other side, essentially, right?
Yeah,
Is that how
gravity
that-
pulls it down. But the cool part is when this gets shorter, it moves faster. You can show them that pendulum right here. When it's short, they go fast, so it wraps around your finger. Look at the short one. Talk about sidewinder.
I see what you did there. You're so clever.
And anyway, the smaller the length, the faster, the longer, the slower. So as this string comes in, it goes faster and faster, and then the friction wraps around and holds it, tying together.
Just like
this
that
way.
did. Yeah.
Boom.
These are all things that you can hear from Rick yourself, because you have an event coming up fairly soon, right?
Yeah.
Tell us what you're doing.
We put together a science show for families and kids called CSI, Celebrate Science Indiana.
Oh, that's cute.
It's going to be at State Fairgrounds. I think it's like our 12th year or 13th. Anyway, it doesn't matter. October 12th, it's free. And I'll be doing all kinds of things and blowing up things and things on fire and these types of things. But they have like over 50 vendors, everything from the Department of Health to our science show. So if you like this and want to participate, come on down, October 12th.
We'll have all the information over at lifestylelive.tv. Rick, thank you as always.